Ever needed to send money to a friend but didn't have cash? Or maybe you were splitting a dinner bill and someone forgot their wallet. That's where Zelle swoops in. Rocket, it's a payment service that lets you send and receive money right from your banking app. You've probably seen the logo, but what exactly is it and how does it work? Let's break it down in under 5 minutes. What is Zelle? Think of Zelle as a super-fast digital highway for your money. Unlike other apps that act as a middleman, holding your money in a separate account, Zelle moves money directly between bank accounts. This is why it's so quick. Transactions usually happen in minutes. It's not a standalone app for everyone. While there is a separate Zelle app, for most people, Zelle is integrated directly into their bank's mobile app. This seamless integration is a huge part of its appeal. It's free to use, and all you need is an email address or a US mobile number to send money. How does it work? It's really simple. First, you need to make sure your bank or credit union partners with Zelle. A quick search on the Zelle website will tell you. If they do, great. You'll find it right in your banking app. To send money, you just need the recipient's email or phone number. You enter the amount, hit send, and they receive the money in their bank account, often in minutes. What if your friend's bank doesn't support Zelle? No problem. They can download the standalone Zelle app and link their debit card to it. The funds will still be sent quickly. Zelle is a network, connecting thousands of financial institutions, making sending money to friends and family as easy as sending a text. Is Zelle safe? This is a big one. Zelle is very secure because it's backed by your bank's own security measures. But here's the most important thing to remember. Zelle is designed for sending money to people you know and trust. Once you send money, you can't cancel the payment if the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle. So, if you accidentally send $50 to the wrong person, it's gone. Always double-check the recipient's information before you hit send. Just like with cash, if you hand it to the wrong person, you probably aren't getting it back. Zelle won't offer a protection program for unauthorized payments, so be careful. Never use Zelle for buying or selling things from strangers. Scammers love to use Zelle because of its speed. They'll ask for a payment, and once they have it, they disappear. So, stick to using it with friends, family, and people you trust. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.